That's the spot right there. That top pole. Hi, it's Marty. Bonnie Beast Elk Artist. I'm out in my little siren just puttering around with the elk board. It does pretty good for a little 2-horse motor that's made in 1963, so I guess it's 51. Wow. So I thought I'd do a quick little video of this little motor running. I haven't got the sails up on this yet. There's no wind today, so I'm just out puttering around. I had to drop the mast earlier. I forgot to put the topping lift on the other day when I put the boat in the water, so I dropped it and off I go now. I've got a topping lift. Got the boom and up out of the way. This is our lake at Fanshawe. There's the club over there. That's the mooring field. It's a nice little lake for today. Well, there's not really any wind, but for the number of boats, I see a rowing team way off in the distance there. There's another one. There's a rowing team safety boat. And way down there is another rowing team. And one sailboat and a couple of fishermen. And that's pretty busy for the lake, which is great because there's nobody out here. It's like you have your lake to yourself, I guess. Well, thanks for watching. Here again is that Elgin 2-horse. Runs great.